Hi, welcome to the second tutorial of the BBEditor. In this video tutorial, we're gonna talk about creation of graphic interfaces. BBEditor has made the task of creating complex user interfaces really easy. It is only necessary to use some black boxes. To accomplish this, we make use of three main components: basic widgets, which are simple controls, layout widgets, which can contain other controls, and high-level widgets, which are made out of basic and layout widgets and can even contain other high-level widgets. Let's see how this works with a simple example. For this example, we'll use some basic and layout widgets. We're gonna use the image loaded in the load box, the viewer MV, and we'll manage the brightness level of the image with a slider box. Also, we'll present the viewer MV and the slider in a horizontal layout box called layout split. Once we have put the boxes in the workbench of BBEditor, we connect the image from the load box with the viewer MV box. Then, we select the output produced by the slider, which indicates the brightness level, and we connect it with the input of the viewer MV that receives the image brightness level. This will make the slider to control the image brightness. Now, we have to make the viewer MV to refresh the image each time we modify the brightness with the slider. This is achieved by selecting the slider output that indicates when there is a change in the slider and connecting it with the execute input of the layout split to make it execute the viewer and receive the new image on each change. Finally, we connect the widget output of the slider and the viewer MV with the layout split. Besides connecting the boxes, we must set some parameters. To achieve this, we make double click on each of the boxes that need to be set and modify the desired parameters. First, we must adjust the minimum and maximum values in the slider. Second, we must set the space proportion in the window for the slider and the viewer. We have almost finished. There is just one more step to go. We must select the box we're gonna execute. In this case, we select the layout split and click the EX button. That's all. Now it's time to execute our project. As a result, we can see how it is possible to set the brightness level in the image using the slider. We've seen in this simple video tutorial how easy it is to create graphic interfaces using controls and layouts to organize the presentation of our project in BBEditor. It is also possible to use other controls such as radio buttons, checkboxes, input texts, file selectors, color selectors, output text, and many other available in the BBEditor. Thanks for watching this video tutorial and hope to see you soon.